Got a new tractor out here in Tractorland. It's an old Cub Cadet 125 hydrostatic. Not sure the year on it. I'm not really sure how to read the year on these kinds of tractors or these kohlers. It's a cast iron kohler. It was given to me. The only thing I was told is it doesn't run. Other than that, I don't know anything about it. It's got the forward, reverse, neutral on the dash. And not sure how you adjust the speed on these. Never had one like this before. All I know is it doesn't crank. It's got a brand new battery in it too. And it also came with its mower deck, plate, I'm not sure where that goes, a snow plow, chains, more brackets for the deck, and these boards go to a cart it came with. That is over here. Wooden cart with sides to go on the 3 sides. Not sure how old this is, but pretty good shape. And all this stuff was garage kept. And I got it from the original owner. Overall, it's a pretty good shape. Typical rust you find in something this old. Seats cracked. Don't know much about it, but it's pretty nice for free. So let's see if we can get this one going. The starter generator system on it. Looks like it's a PTO or a shaft-driven rear end. Never had a Cub Cadet this old. Actually, only owned one other Cub Cadet before this, and it was a pile of garbage. It's like an 80s, some kohler pose that everything was broken on. But this is pretty cool right here. The old ones. No, and the steering's kind of screwed up. International Cub Cadet. Nice.